Hello, welcome to my channel. Today I thought I'd show you a very quick way to do a little drawing, a pen and watercolor drawing. I start off, you can barely see this, but I start off with a pencil sketch just to get my configuration down, and then I go over it with pen, micron pen, which is water resistant, and then I use watercolor pencil and sketch in all the colors that I want, and then I use water over that to give me my finished look. This is not quite finished. I finished it here where I put in a water line and some shadow beside it and set the vase on the table with a dark line underneath, and that's all there is to it, and it's such a lot of fun to do these. I encourage you to have a go. It's simple to do. It doesn't require a lot of expensive equipment. All you need are watercolor pencils, micron pens and paper, and you're set to go, and it's fun. So I'll see you next time with a painting, and I keep saying that, I just haven't got round to it. I'll see you next time anyway with something. Bye for now.